Welcome back to the BISD Wired Studio. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to navigate your Google Drive and create a document. So in case you've forgotten how to get to your Google Drive, you can always start in your Gmail inbox and click on your apps grid to get to your Google Drive icon. So inside of your Google Drive, we're going to click on the new button, and you have several options for creating core documents in your Google Drive. Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word. Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft Excel, and Google Slides is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So today we're going to create a Google Doc, and I'm just going to point out a few features so that when you get into your Google Drive to create your first doc, you'll kind of know what's going on. In the top left-hand corner is the title of your document. You can rename that at any time, and I want you to notice what's happening right here. Every time I type in anything, it automatically saves my changes in my Google Drive. So you never have to go to File Save or File Save As. Once I create this document, it's automatically in my drive, and every time I type something in, it's automatically saved. One other thing I want to point out to you that is my favorite feature in Google Docs is the font list. So here are my fonts. You have some standard fonts, but down here at the very bottom, you can go to More Fonts, and you have in the neighborhood of 400 fonts that you can browse and choose from. All you have to do is click on the ones that you want, click on OK, and they're automatically added to your fonts list. You'll know it's a new font because it's going to have a little blue highlight right there. So it's kind of highlighted for you to see that it is a new font. I also want to point out your share settings. All Google Docs are collaborative documents that you can invite other people to be a part of at any time. So in the top right hand corner is the blue share button. I want you to notice what it says right now, private only to me. By default, every Google Doc that you create in your drive is private to you. Nobody else in the world can see it except for you. If I want to change that, I can click on the blue share button, and I can do several things. The first thing I could do is invite individual collaborators. So if I wanted the other instructional technology specialists to be able to access this document, I can add their names and I can give them either edit rights, comment rights, or view rights. You can also change the global visibility settings for your document. So if this is a document for my department, this is the way to go. If this is a document that I want to share with parents, it's a newsletter. If I click on Advanced, now I want to change the global visibility settings for this document. Whereas these people can edit it, maybe I want for anyone in the whole wide world to be able to find this and view it. You have several different layers of visibility. Anyone with the link can view, people at Brenham ISD with the link can comment. So you kind of have to think about your big picture and then determine what your global visibility settings are going to look like and what your individual collaborators are going to look like. Once you have this set, you can notify the person that you're sharing with an email. You can add an individual message. You can also send a copy to yourself. Once you click on the send button, the person on the other end gets an email from you that you have invited them to view or collaborate on a live document. In the next video, we're going to show you how to upload existing files and store them in your Google Drive.